Here are the last three Hot Wheel Collector Club cars. Let's see what the 2021 car looks like. I've been so busy here recently working on other projects that I completely forgot what car this is. It's coming in the mail today. I know it's the club car, but I forgot what casting they chose for the club car this year. And in fact, the day that it went live, I forgot that it was going to be that day. And I remember how they sold out so quick last year, and I didn't want that to happen again, so I went ahead and ordered it without even looking up what it was. When they sent the email that, okay, it's gone live right now, I stopped what I was doing, ordered it, and then kind of forgot about it until it showed up today. But let's go ahead and slice this open. And there we go. It is the, oh yes, it's the 70 Mustang Boss 302. So the paint job on that looks so much better than anything they could do online. That is fantastic. It's got a little bit of orange, but when the light shines into it, it's kind of a bright orange. It's almost mirror-like to it, and it's what you come to expect from the high-end offerings that they have. And so it's the 2021 club car. The premium wheels, Mustang logo there in the front. Every year it comes with the retro style pin button and the RLC 21 patch. And since it's a Ford product, it also comes with the that where you can download a free wallpaper for your phone. So that's kind of something fun they throw in with any premium Ford. So there's the 21 patch. Let's see, I don't know how well you can read that through the actual Hot Wheel molding of the card protector here, but there you go in the back. So that is nice. This is the fifth club car. This is the fifth time I've signed up for the club, and since it's just I'm not sure how popular this one's going to be, because it seems like it's a nice car, but it's not one of the most desirable models like a couple of other ones that they've turned into recent cars here. And they don't want to do something JDM every single year. So let's set this one out of the way, and I want to take a look at some of the previous years. I know this one was so popular that they caused people to purchase multiple copies of this car, and so you ended up with fewer actual people being members of the club, because you had probably a couple hundred people go out and buy 4 or 5 different memberships just so they could each get a version of this car. But I mean, that is, love the purple on it. It's still got the the premium look to it, and the opening hood right there. So that one's certainly nice. So they fixed the problem of people ordering multiple copies of the car by offering the club membership without a car this year, which I guess it's nice that they had that tier. They would have needed it last year. I don't know if they'll necessarily need it this year, but here's the 2020 patch and the 2020 button. And then move that box out of the way. We've got the 2019. They put it in a nice large Ziploc bag, and I guess I just wanted to keep it in the bag this whole time. I have opened the bag before, but here we've got the black Custom Camaro. Nice car, but it wasn't as popular as last year's or the one before it. But I still like it. It's got the red interior. This time you can easy to read the entire back of that. This was also the year that they didn't use the rubber wheels on the club car, but I like how that one had the, on the bottom of it, had the 1967 design still on it. And take a look at last year's patch, or the 19 patch and the 19 button. 2019 feels like last year. And whoever said the line that last year felt like it lasted forever and it flew by, I agree with that. 2018, another one that was really popular. Good thing I left it in the protector because it's kind of gotten dusty here. But everyone's favorite, the Datsun Bluebird 510, and that Spectra Flame olive look to it. And the version with the roll cage inside of it. And there's our button. And there's our patch. This is the last one I've seen where they actually, are the most recent one that had the serial number on it. So I was number 4303 out of 17,500. And then if you want to read that, of course, 2018 was the 50th anniversary. And then my first car was the 2016 car, which turned into the 2017 car. And if you weren't collecting Hot Wheels back then, it was the first year I ever bought it was 2016, and they used to have a kind of a tiered system where people who were in the club the year before had a first crack at it, and they would release it in 3 different colors. I believe the black was the rarest, the red was the medium rarest, and then the blue was the more common one, but still pretty rare. And with the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser being one of their all-time top models, this one sold out pretty quick, and you had the option, if you were a returning member, to purchase all 3. And this is the last year they did that. And so that particular year, I did join the club this minute that it was made available to the public. And see, this one's numbered to 4650. And I guess I was number 519 off of that. I'm kind of surprised I got such a low number on that one. So this one, if I ever wanted to sell this one has a pretty good resale value on it, or at least it used to. I hadn't checked in a couple of years. But that car looks really nice in that red, almost a pink look to it. And then that year they also had not only the patch, but they had a membership card that came with it. And the membership card comes with kind of a blue. So that was the first year I joined, so I was a member since 2016. But they had problems getting the paint just right on that one, and it took them over a year to be able to ship that one out. And so for that reason, they didn't even make a 2017 car, because these were sent out in 2017. Thankfully, this year, I ordered it, and then next week it shows up at my home. So, all right, that's kind of the last 5 years of the Hot Wheels club cars. So, we'll see what they have to offer this year. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.